Hello everyone, welcome back to Vietnam series. Today we are in Dalat. Wow, that's expensive.
Dalat is the hill station which is located 8 hours away from Ho Chi Minh City. We took an overnight bus from Ho Chi Minh City and reached early morning to Dalat. We have booked Iris Dalat Hotel through Agoda. The entrance of the hotel looks really great. The hotel check-in time in Vietnam is usually around 2 p.m. So if you are reaching early, you can keep the luggage in reception and go out to explore the city. The room costed us 2,600 INR per day, which is definitely worth.
We just stopped by in one of the cafe before starting exploring Dalat, and we ordered this chicken soup. It's not really chicken soup, there are so many things in that, but for a safer side we ordered it because mostly you get beef and pork here, and that's added in almost all the dishes. So if you don't eat, you have to specifically ask, and definitely you should have translator in your phone. Most of the people doesn't know English, not most, I think we hardly saw anybody talking in English here. So translator definitely helps, and that too in the restaurant you have to use it to understand what dishes that you have to order. So let's start eating this. Place we are here is Alpine Coaster. It's like a roller coaster, but not really roller coaster. It's a ride. It's a natural ride where we can see waterfalls. So this is one of the ride which I wanted to really do. It's around like 15 minutes from the main city. So we took a cab and it costed us around 80,000 Vietnamese dong. So now we are here. We're gonna buy ticket and then go for a ride.
बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग कोस्टर राइड था। आते वक्त पूरा जंगलों के बीचों बीच से आए, फास्ट आ रहे थे, लेकिन पता था हमें कि हमारे हाथ में ब्रेक है, तो ब्रेक लगाते हुए आराम से पहुंचे हैं। अभी यहाँ पर वाटरफॉल्स के पास आए।
Yeah, it was fun actually. That's a natural ride. We did it for the first time. It reached to a certain location from where we can see this waterfalls. That's a Dantala waterfalls. And from here, again, we have to take the coaster ride and then go back to the same place where we started. Oh, look at that, look at that. It's gonna be real roller coaster. We got freshened up and now we are going to Crazy House. That's around like 5 minutes from our hotel if you go by cab. So I booked Grab. To explore the city, you have 3 options here. The first one is you can rent a bike. It's around 350 to 400 INR per day, and then you can roam around. The second option is by taxi. That's what we are doing today. You can get a taxi if you come to the main road. That's a local taxi, or you can book it through Grab app. Booking taxi through Grab app is really easy and convenient. So I suggest to have that app in your phone whenever you are traveling. And the third option is book any day tour. So for tomorrow we have booked the day tour that will cover many waterfalls and then few more places. Today we are just exploring by ourselves so that we can get the vibes of the city.
This amazingly deformed architected house will blow your mind. This has 3 different levels and each has different themes that you can explore. The view from various locations in the house is beautiful. Do not miss out this place to visit whenever you are in Dalat. lunch on our way back from Crazy House. This place is quite good and here they have kept the salads and it is complimentary.
This is pineapple and they've given the pineapple corn mixed rice. And this prawn is really good, but it's not cooked. No, for us it's not cooked, for them it's all fried. We had late lunch today and then now we are here at Lumire Dalat Light Garden.
Lumire Garden is a beautifully decorated place that is meant to attract the local crowd as well as the tourist. The lighting of different sets at various levels are beautiful and you can get some Instagrammable pictures here.
Wow, that's a lot of lights. After Lumire Light Garden, we booked the cab and then come to a night market. Night market looks so pretty. This street is so bright and colorful and there are lots of people. Let's go and check it out the price. Even I want to do some shopping. I was thinking to do it in Hanoi or Da Nang, which is our next destination. But let's check it out here in case if we get something.
This place is so happening. Lots of shops if you want to buy some clothes here. So many varieties of street foods are here. It's a great place to spend in the evening. This place is open every day till 11 p.m.
30. Real less? 25? Okay. I take 1, 2, 3, 3. Then how much? Less. 5. 75. 85. Okay. No, that's more. That's expensive. How much is this? 250. This has rice paper, coconut, and then jaggery, and also peanuts. So it's nice. It's a nice cake. It's a, what is this called? Coconut cake.
Coconut fried peanut.
It is a coconut peanut cake. It is just 10,000 Vietnamese dong. That is around 50 rupees. Good morning. Today is our day 2 in Dalat, and then we are going to explore few more places. Today I have booked the group tour. So I booked it through Klook and it costed us around 2,000 rupees INR. They are going to cover 5 to 6 places today, and then this tour is starting around 8 AM and then it's going to end by 4 PM today. So let's go and explore Dalat. First place we are here today is at Coffee Plantation. There are so many coffee plantations here, and then this particular place has this luwak coffee, but here they call it as a weasel coffee. So it's nothing but a luwak animal or a weasel animal. The same thing what we tried in Indonesia. Here also it's there. So basically weasel or a luwak animal, it eats coffee beans, and after it digests it does poop. So they take that poop and then clean it. There's a lot of processing which is going to happen, and then they make a coffee powder out of it. This is one of the world's very expensive coffee. We tried this coffee in Indonesia as well. So we're going to try here also and see how's it. So here they add coffee powder here and then some hot water. So we get coffee here, and if you want we can add fresh milk. And also this is some hot water they've given. If it's too strong you can add this, and then finally sugar. It's too strong. And the next place we are here is Cricket Farm. Here we are going to try cricket fries. They're gonna fry the cricket and give it, and also some rice wine as well. So our morning breakfast is cricket fries plus tea and also some rice wine. Not bad. This fry also doesn't taste like a cricket. We can also buy this packet and go home and eat it, but I don't think so anybody's gonna eat at my home, so we're not buying this. The next place we are here is Elephant Waterfalls. This was just 10 minutes drive from our previous destination, that was Cricket Farm. And then here is Elephant Waterfalls. Not much trucking. If you see, it's just a few steps. I think 20-25 steps to come down, and then the waterfalls is really nice. This waterfalls is called as Elephant Waterfalls because there were a group of elephants was coming all the time here to drink water, and then the rock behind here looks like elephant, it seems. That's the reason the people here in the village, they just named it as Elephant Waterfalls. From Elephant Waterfalls, now we are going to Buddha statues there, which we can actually see from Elephant Waterfalls only, but then we are going near to that big Buddha that we were seeing it from Elephant Waterfalls. This is called Happy Big Buddha. It's 71 meters tall, and then this side there's a pagoda as well. Morning it was very cold and we were wearing jackets. Now the temperature is around 23-24 degrees Celsius, and then we are feeling a little hot because we did trekking as well. I understood that in Dalat the temperature is always cold throughout the year, so any time you're coming to Dalat, make sure to get warm clothes. We climbed around 240 steps and came all the way up. I was expecting some 360-degree view, open space, but there is nothing much here. We can just view from this window. The view is good, but there is no open space. This is the topmost floor that we are in now. So that's all. So now we will go back, and then our next stop is lunch. So our guide told that we're gonna have some local cuisine. So villagers will be cooking that food. I'm excited for that. After having lunch, now we are going to waterfalls. By the way, lunch was not included in today's day tour which we have booked. We have to pay separately, and it was around 110 Vietnamese dong. That's definitely worth considering the items that they provided. This is the way. Looks pretty easy, but in case if you cannot walk, they also have vehicles here. It's 15,000 Vietnamese dong per person. They'll take you all the way down and then they'll bring you back as well. There is not much water as we are here in December month. If you come around September or October, even in November, this waterfalls will look amazing. Even I've seen in the pictures and I was expecting the same, but this is not the time it seems. But otherwise it's good. It's a cool breeze, a nice place to come as well. Next and last place we are here today is beehive farming. So that's why we have this covered.
They explain how the farming of honey happens here, and it looked quite complex.
Okay, like where can you see? Okay, I think the raw honey, coffee honey, and the raw honey, the most honey.
Also, you can taste and buy honey here, and it is quite expensive.
When you good skin, you good.
This comes to an end of our beautiful 2-day trip to Dalat. So we are gonna leave now in 1 hour, and then it's a 14 hours of journey in bus to Da Nang. So we will be reaching tomorrow early morning, not early morning, around 8 o'clock we will be reaching Da Nang.
Dalat is a very beautiful place. If you are coming to Vietnam, do not miss out this place if you like hilly regions and cold places.
And 2 days would be good enough to explore Dalat. So we were also here for 2 days. So you can just add it for 2 days.